Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Badoo login error in simple and easy steps. Step 1. First close the Badoo dating app. First close the Badoo app completely. Swipe up from the bottom of your screen and pause. Then find the Badoo app. Then swipe it up to close it. Reopen the app and try logging in again. Step 2. Check your internet connection. First make sure your internet is working. Open Safari and try loading a website. If it does not load, switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Then open Badoo and try logging in again. Step 3. Update the Badoo app. Now open the App Store or Google Play Store. Next tap your profile icon in the top right corner. Then tap on Apps. Scroll down to see available updates. If Badoo appears, tap Update. After updating, open the app and try logging in again. Step 4. Restart your phone. Press and hold the power button plus volume up button. Then slide to power off. Wait about 10 seconds. Then turn it back on. Once it restarts, open Badoo and try logging in again. Step 5. Check Badoo server status. If you still can't log in, the issue might be with Badoo servers. Open Safari and search Badoo server status. If the server are down, you will need to wait until they are back online. And that's how you can fix Badoo login error. And that's it. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.